Picture this. You're floating in zero gravity in the silence of space. What's your weapon of choice? A traditional firearm or a futuristic laser weapon? Firearms use a chemical reaction to propel a projectile. In zero gravity, Newton's third law comes into play. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Fire a gun and you're sent spiraling in the opposite direction. Now, laser weapons. They fire beams of light so there's no recoil. But they need a lot of power, and heat dissipation is a challenge in space. So what's better? Well, in the cold vacuum of space, it's a toss-up. Firearms have recoil, lasers have power issues. Until our tech advances, it's a draw. Remember, in space, no one can hear you scream. Or your gunshots.